Here's the man himself. We weren't gonna bring him to the park because it's like kind of not the best weather, but it's not wet out here, so he's doing good. Over, go around. Go around. Go around. Here's the Clover show. Ready, dude? Ready, dude? Look at the leaves. You guys don't want to see his backside. You don't. Like the leaves on his backside, I'm just saying, it's sad. All right, I'll show you. Over. He's the town Swiffer. Oh, here we go. Now we'll just do a little like Clover slow-mo B-roll. Hello, welcome back to the vlog, and today I'm gonna take you on a little cleanup adventure. I want to straighten up some places, and I need like 2 hours to do it. Can I get it all done in 2 hours? I don't know, but we're gonna try. I'd like to clean up this area. This is driving me crazy. I'm also just gonna bite the bullet and unpack these boxes and put them in the console, even though that's not like 100% where the console is gonna go downstairs. I feel like I'm gonna leave the console there. We're just gonna put the TV up here, then we're gonna put the TV downstairs above the console. So we're just gonna unpack that. Also, what's up with this shelving? I don't know. I might straighten that up a little bit. And I wanna do the downstairs storage room a little bit. So, but we've only got a couple hours to do it. Okay. So use this as some motivation to do some housework that you've been not willing, but you've been putting off but haven't been doing. So right now, put this on in the background, like on your TV or something like that. Do that thing. Do that thing with me. I've been just procrastinating. Stop procrastinating. Do what you're gonna do right now, all right? Let's do this. It's been 38 minutes, so I'm doing pretty good on time. Let's go in the storage room. Wow. Okay, storage room is a disaster. So we're gonna make it look good today. So basically I got some like plant stuff on the top and in the middle, and these are actually empty, I think. So we're gonna repurpose those, just have alpha shelving everywhere. So I'm gonna move this stuff out of here so I can actually move around and do stuff in here. Just like nothing on those shelves. There's just paint and junk on this. So we're gonna straighten this up today, and this is like the biggest project of them all, just this, organize these drawers. So I don't know, I think it'll be kind of fun. All right, let's do this. Research on the freezer. There's like a freezer in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a deep freezer. I don't know what all the buttons mean. So I'm gonna do some research. Be right back. So, pro tip, if you ever can't find the manual to anything, any appliance in your house, just look up online the company who made it, model number, bam, manual. So we're gonna look through this and figure out how to turn it on, and good times. Okay, if I want to do anything today, it's organize this little area. And by the way, I don't know where to plug this in. It's not plugged in. So I asked the previous owner where they plugged it in. So hopefully she'll get back to me in a minute. But like, this is messy. Like this whole situation with all this stuff is messy. And I want to work it out today. So it looks really nice and cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with all those paint buckets, but I don't know. All right, let's do this. I actually just had to go dispute a copyright claim on my last video because EMI tried to monetize it. Like literally, they tried to monetize my performance of Monteverdi's Laudate Dominum, claiming that it's like a cover of an album that another performer did, a recording of the piece. So y'all, just a little bit of like behind the scenes tea. The copyright system on YouTube is brokety broke. Like brokety broken. I've never lost a copyright dispute, by the way. I'm like 100% on I get them all the time. They're ridiculous. But the copyright system pretty broken. Broken. Like literally broken. Okay, back to organizing. Hello? Oh, so here's the thing. EMI came back and they looked at my dispute and said, no, we're still gonna take your money. We're gonna share your revenue. Let me explain something. The piece that they're claiming, the Monteverdi, the Laudate Dominum, is a piece written by a composer named Claudio Monteverdi, who died in 1643. Copyright only covers people like 100 years or something. So like that was more than 100 years ago. Monteverdi, public domain, right? So anyone can perform it. Anyone. There's dozens, thousands of performances out there, recordings even, of this piece. They are claiming that their recording of this piece is like the only recording out there. And that I, Kay Patterson, Soprano, am doing a cover of their performance from their album of a piece written in the 1600s. Can you see how this is just a little bit unscrupulous? Not to mention illegal. So, I disputed the claim again, which they can kill my, well, they can put a strike on my YouTube account, or they can sue me. Either of those is not good, but hopefully they'll realize that they're in the wrong and drop it. Because if they sue me, I'm going to sue them back. I'm going to countersue, because like this is unscrupulous. The copyright system is brokety broke on the YouTubes. Broken. How can EMI and all these other big music publishers come and try to take everyone's money for no reason? This is like a blatant grab for like some pennies. Pennies. I'm fired up right now. Fired up.
When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. Baby, I won't let you down. I got it. I know you need it. Love is it when you're around. Oh, please say that you believe it. 'Cause I don't wanna lose you. I hope you feel that way too. No, I don't wanna lose you. Baby, don't go. Don't go. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. Oh, when I get you back, oh yeah. Cause I don't wanna lose you. I hope you feel that way too. No, I don't wanna lose you. Baby, don't go. Oh, when I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. When I get you back, oh yeah. Oh, when I get you back, oh yeah.
All right, I don't have to stop working, but I'm going to because I want to edit. So this is this side, which I'm gonna put some like house parts, you know, pieces of the dishwasher that we're not using and stuff. There, I don't know if I'm gonna keep that angled shelf there, probably not. It was just something I found upstairs. The freezer, I actually need to use this extension cord to plug it in, or we're gonna have an electrician flip the outlet outside to maybe over here somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, these drawers are now so much better than they were before. Now we can find stuff. It's loosely categorized, and except for this drawer is kind of a mess, but this has just all alpha pieces and stuff. This is the house box now. This has all the cleaning stuff in it for the Roomba and just cleaning stuff in general. This one's kind of just bags. So it's a lot better than it was before. Oh my gosh, I moved some of the paint around. That can of paint's like almost empty. I'm just gonna get rid of it in the hazardous waste. But so much better. And this side is a lot better too. Just plant stuff, plant stuff. These are empty containers that I haven't figured out what their jobs are. So if I can't find jobs for them ultimately, they will go to another home. But until then, they are sitting right there. There's the Christmas tree. There is like Clover's toys and stuff. I'm giving a bunch of our moving supplies to my friend. My best friend actually is moving next month, and I'm like, dude, take some of our stuff off our hands. This is it's actually a bed. I'm gonna get rid of this label. It's one of those Insta beds, like an Aero bed. Oh, here's some more containers. I'm gonna put those not on the floor. I'm gonna put them right here just until I figure out what I'm gonna do with that stuff. And then the Christmas decorations are there. So it's coming together, but you can at least walk around in here now, because before you couldn't walk around in here, and the door and wall rack just didn't work. It's just not a thing that I'm willing to commit to, because it gets in the way of you walking into the space anyway, because it just sticks out so far, and I don't want to see it when I come down here. So I'm gonna take this off the door maybe tomorrow and patch those holes and stuff. All right. This light is very unflattering in here. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly edit this, get this up for you, and continue to be angry about my copyright claim from EMI on my video yesterday. Like, I'm seething, I have seething hot anger about it. Like, it is illegal and unscrupulous to copyright claim a public domain work, claiming it's a cover of your recording of said public domain work. Like, come on. All right, anyway, I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening wherever you are, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.